Good morning. This is a narrated version of Teleportation, the facts. I took this film in 2016 in the lane outside my house, in the dark, in heavy fog. All these are droplets of fog. And up here, there's an LED street light. Now, as I'm filming down here, a beam of light comes down from there in front of me. Then it goes back up. And when it goes back up, left in its place is me. I rushed to get out before this fog disappeared because it was very heavy fog. And I wanted to film in it to see whether the droplets would show up as it does with rain and snow. And as you can see, beard, mouth, nose, 2 eyes, forehead, hair, as my big coat and my white trousers. Now, I'd been rushing to get out, so I couldn't find my trousers, and there was a pair of white trousers which my wife had bought me, and I very rarely wear, so I grabbed them and put them on. And this is what made me first notice that this person standing in front of me had these white trousers on. So it's an image of me standing in front of me, and I'm filming myself. Now, somebody came up with a comment that it might be a a reflection from the beam of light to the camera and back, which is transposed this into the road. But photographic people won't come on and discuss it, except for the odd one who'll come on and be abusive and say, get a proper life and all this. So anyway, I'm standing in the road facing myself. I'll play the video now and you work it out yourself. I say all this here is fog from the droplets of water in the fog. I've got another video on that. This, say another 10 foot down from here on this side. Right. There it goes. Starting to rise up now. And as you see, different faces and heads in this. And you notice this is the lane coming broken across there, and it's as if the road has disappeared here. And you should also see people under the road. See the man with the yellow hair, the yellow man, yellow head, chin, nose, eyes, ear. Here's my white trousers now, my big jacket, and my beard, nose, eyes, forehead, hair, peeking out from the side. See the beam starting to come down now. This is very, very slow. As I had there, pair of eyes there, like. See the yellow head there? See, there's his nose, chin, ear. And here now, I'm peering, there's my head there, peeking round this. Big jacket, white trousers, right down here. How? Why? See? There's me. There's me. Over and out.